Hi, Dana. How are you today? Hi, Dana. How are you today?
Hi, Alex. I'm fine. Thank you. And you? Hi, Alex. I'm fine. Thank you. And you?
I'm good. It's a nice day. I'm good. It's a nice day.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Do you come here often? Do you come here often?
Yes, sometimes. And you? Yes, sometimes. And you?
This is my first time here. This is my first time here.
What do you like to do at home? What do you like to do at home?
I like reading books. And you? I like reading books. And you?
I like drawing and painting. I like drawing and painting.
Do you like coffee or tea? Do you like coffee or tea?
I like tea. And you? I like tea. And you?
I prefer coffee than tea. I prefer coffee than tea.
What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food?
I like pizza and fruit juice. And you? I like pizza and fruit juice. And you?
I like sandwiches and sushi. I like sandwiches and sushi.
Do you like movies? Do you like movies?
Yes, I like comedies. And you? Yes, I like comedies. And you?
I like adventure movies. I like adventure movies.
Do you have a car? Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a car. And you? Yes, I have a car. And you?
I have an electric bike. I have an electric bike.
What do you usually do on weekends? What do you usually do on weekends?
I visit my friends. And you? I visit my friends. And you?
I play football with my brother. I play football with my brother.
Do you like music? Do you like music?
Yes, I love music. And you? Yes, I love music. And you?
Me too. I like pop songs. Me too. I like pop songs.
Do you like to travel? Do you like to travel?
Yes, I want to see new countries. Yes, I want to see new countries.
Me too. I want to visit Italy. Me too. I want to visit Italy.
What time do you leave home to work? What time do you leave home to work?
I leave at 7:30 a.m. I leave at 7:30 a.m.
What do you do after work? What do you do after work?
I go to practice sports or read. I go to practice sports or read.
What do you do in the evening? What do you do in the evening?
I watch the news on TV or study English. I watch the news on TV or study English.
What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 11 p.m. I go to bed at 11 p.m.
What's your favorite day of the week? What's your favorite day of the week?
I love Saturday because there is no work. I love Saturday because there is no work.
Do you take breaks during work? Do you take breaks during work?
Yes, I take a 30-minute break. For lunch? Yes, I take a 30-minute break. For lunch?
Do you work extra hours? Do you work extra hours?
Yes, but only when they ask me to. Yes, but only when they ask me to.
Do you have a big family? Do you have a big family?
No, just me and my parents. No, just me and my parents. How many brothers and sisters do you have? How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have one sister and two brothers. I have one sister and two brothers.
Are you the oldest daughter? Are you the oldest daughter?
No, I am the youngest in the family. No, I am the youngest in the family. Time is going fast. Time is going fast.
Yes, we talked a lot. Yes, we talked a lot.
It was nice sitting with you. It was nice sitting with you.
Yes, I had fun. Yes, I had fun.
See you tomorrow. Bye, Alex. See you tomorrow. Bye, Alex.
Yes, bye, Diana. Yes, bye, Diana.